Welcome to the McCutchen House, located on the historic University of South Carolina Horseshoe. Today, McCutchen House is open to the public and is operated by the School of Hotel, Restaurant, and Tourism Management. Under the close supervision of the director and professional chefs, students prepare and serve a gourmet lunch buffet during the fall and spring semesters. Students enter the building at the lower level and go to the classroom on the right, where they are instructed in the daily culinary activities. As we move across the hall, food is prepared by student teams in kitchens under the watchful eye of the McCutchen House culinary team. Here are multiple industrial stoves, stainless steel preparation tables, freezers and refrigeration, sinks and dishwashers, cooking ingredients, kitchenware, cutlery and tableware, and even wash machines and dryers. Food is transported to and staged in a kitchen on the main level. Here are warming stations and beverage dispensers to serve the customers. Students are trained to serve as waitstaff, host and hostesses, and restaurant managers. McCutchen House was built in 1813 as the second faculty residence on the South Carolina College campus. South Carolina College professor Maximilian Laborde lived in this structure during his entire academic career from 1842 to 1873. As chairman of the faculty, Laborde led the college during the Civil War years and was instrumental in saving the campus from the fire that ravaged Columbia in 1865. Professor George McCutchen, for whom the building is named, lived in the house with his family from 1915 until World War II. Extensively renovated in the 1970s, the building housed a private dining club for faculty and administrative staff for many years. McCutchen House, with its charming southern atmosphere, offers a gourmet lunch as well as services for private and professional events. So please join us and support our students while enjoying our signature tomato pie and chocolate walnut pie in historic McCutchen House.